Okay. So we're getting on to conditions now. Okay. Simple. When do we go with conditions? If you want restrict output on characteristic value wise, restrict filtering. If you want restrict the query output on key figure value, it is conditions. So how do I, what is my condition we wanted to build? Where my sales amount is, yeah. Yes, So how do you build conditions? Look at this icon here. What is it? Conditions. It does open up a tab. Right click, say what? New condition. Right click on this and say what? Edit. You can just give some name of the condition. Sales less than. Okay. 10 million. I'll say what? New. What is here? Sales. New under. What is the criteria? Key figure. Less than or equal to 10,000 laksha. Done bus. Okay. That's it. I said condition. Look at this checkboard here. Condition acted. I built a condition. It has to affect my queries. That's what I'm saying. Active. Okay. Why does it show only these 2 years? Only these 2 years has got the amount less than 1 crore. Others were greater than. This condition. Simple. Next one. Now look at this. Now condition is playing. Can I switch off that condition or switch on the condition? Look at what is the button here? Conditional exceptions. Click on the button. This is a condition, right? Now it says active. Switch it off. It's like toggling the state. Now the condition is not active. That's why you get to see everything. Now I want to toggle the state again. Activate. Again, not active. Active. Okay, now toggling the state. Yeah. See, now when I'm running the query, when you get the result set, is my condition playing on it in the first time? Yes. But if I go here, if I say edit, if I deselect this active checkbox, now conditions, I have deselected the checkbox active, right? So now what happens? First time when the query runs in, condition will not play. If user will train the users, when you wanted to see only less than crore, just activate these conditions, so it will show them. But at this point, the checkbox conditions active indicates whether you want the condition to be playing on the query or not. If you don't play, at any point of time, user can switch it on or switch off the conditions at the runtime.
So in this way, you can build more conditions and make.
You can build n number of conditions, like say top 10 customer. I'm going to build now the same. But now what I want to do is, I want this condition to be applicable. I want this condition to be applicable only when user is drilled down on year. So I'll say edit. What is this? Characteristic assignment. Determine characteristic assignment. I'll say individual characteristics, and what is it? When I say here, what only when you do drill down on the year, then only condition is applicable for you. Now let's look at that effect. I can make the condition to be specific for a particular characteristic drill down. Now here is drill down, right? That's why look at this condition says what you can activate or not activate, right? But if I remove the year from the drill down and if I drill down on month, so what is it playing? It says what? Variant, does not belong to it. So, but if I bring year along with month, if I bring year, I can activate inactivate. It doesn't say variant now. Ante when I say condition is specific year ante year to part vere unna active, year out unna active, year lekapothe pani cheyadu. So condition will be playing only when that year is in the drill down. Whether it is in the drill down along with other characteristics or not, doesn't worry about it. Year unte chalu, condition is active. Like this, you can make conditions specific to that. Then what? Let's say I want to build top. I want to build top 10 customer report, but when I want this condition to run in, only when it drill down on customer only. Okay, so I'll do that. So we can use conditions to build top 10. Now I'll do what? Let me bring customer. I'll say display this along with either name leda. Okay. I'll go to condition. I'll build one more condition now. Top 10. New. It has to identify top based on what? Amount. What is it? Top n. And what is it? 10. Transfer. And for initially let it not be active. And I want this to be specific to what? Customer. So I have two conditions here. Yeah. Now what I'll do? Now I'll remove this calendar here. I'll drill down on customer key. It is showing a lot of customers. Now I'll activate this condition saying what? There is only top 10 customers now. There are a lot of records where customer key is blank. Null indicating that customer number being blank there. Okay. Okay, Rana?
Simple sort chesi 10 captures.
Anta de chesukona em cheyam. Okay, na boss. Like this you can have multiple conditions into the report also. మళ్ళీ బాటమ్ కస్టమర్ కూడా చూడాలనుకున్నాను. ఐ కెన్ హ్యావ్ వన్ మోర్ కండిషన్ బిల్ట్ ఇట్ ఫర్ బట్ ఏది కంటే అది యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అదే మీరు చూసాను లేదు చేస్తాను. And I want this also on what? Doesn't make sense on the others. Yeah? Let's say you remove the year. I drill down on customer key. I'll get to the conditions. I'll say I want to see top. Top wheel, double 1, 2, 3 wheel. And I inactivate this. I'll say bottom 10. Will wherever 229 rupees on all. Like this you can have n number of conditions in the report. ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఒక పాయింట్ చూడు. I am switching on bottom and top also. రెండు యాక్టివేట్ చేస్తాను. ఏమైతుంది? Is it playing with and or or? అదే యాంటీనే. ఇప్పుడు యాంటీ అయినప్పుడు if they play with or I should get both the results. So now I'm not getting anything. So what does it mean? It is playing with and. But what if I wanted to have a conditions with or operation? Yeah. So then look at this one. If I build separate conditions like this with different criteria, they play with what? And. Suppose if I build a condition like this saying or new sales amount, look at this, less than within that I'll create one more criteria, sales amount. So within the same condition to have multiple criteria first. Now these two will play with or, and criteria in different conditions they play with and. Adi I said greater than less than 1 crore, greater than 1 crore rendu unnai. If I activate this condition అన్ని చూపిస్తుందని అర్థం ఏంది? గ్రేటర్ చూపిస్తుంది, లెస్ చూపి అంటే ఆర్ కదా. Yes or no? Or. That is so when you have multiple criteria in a single condition, you build with or. Where condition they say and.
So do I know the answer? Just make a confirmation. Let's say we had only 19 records and top 10 lo kuda last record or bottom lo last one, first one. So రెండిట్లో
వర్తన ఉందో సార్. 19 లో ఉంటే వస్తుంది.
అది ఒక్క డిస్ప్లే అయ్యింది. అది రెండు యాక్టివేట్ చేస్తే
మనకుంటే చాలా ఉన్నాయి. అంతే. బేసిక్ ఆపరేషన్ స్టైల్ ఒకే కండిషన్లో మల్టిపుల్ క్రైటీరియాస్ ఉంటే దే ప్లే విత్ ఆర్. different conditions, different criteria they play with and. You can still control it to play with and or. I want to show you. Okay, boss. And you can also make your conditions can be switched on, switched off, and you can make this condition to be active only when the drill down on a particular characteristic also can be done. Yeah. This is about conditions. Boss. So if you ask you what is the difference between conditions and filtering restrictions? Yeah, conditions would affect your results based on the keyword value, but restriction is affecting on the characteristic value. And both affects the complete result set of the query. మొత్తం రోస్ అంతా ఎఫెక్ట్ చేస్తుందా? Okay, remove the conditions. Now clear with conditions, right? Good.